Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. My last lecture, that means lecture number 1, I have discussed A number A1, B, C and D. Now lecture number 2 and same lesson I will discuss E number. Okay, got it? Before starting reading or topic, at first we will know the learning outcomes. Okay? At the end of the lesson, you will be able to, number 1, define what the good health is. Next, explain the proper functioning of good health. And last, explain the rules of personal hygiene. That means when you read the topic, you will explain what the good health, and you will know what the good health is, and you can explain the function of good health and explain the rules of personal hygiene. Got it? Okay. So open at page number 30D. Sorry, E. Here is. Please, at first you read out the lesson, and if you have get any difficult or new word, you underline the words. Okay, then we'll discuss. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, now read out. Hope that you have finished reading. Okay, now I will read and you listen to it. Okay? Okay. A proverb says health is wealth. Okay? To keep health is to keep free from disease and anxiety. Good health is proper functioning of all body organs. It is also feeling well both in body and in mind. People in good health are active, cheerful, and happy. If you are healthy, you can be happy and can help others in society as well. To keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. The rules and practices of keeping good health are called hygiene. We must practice the rules of hygiene, proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness, and proper medicare are essential for good health. Please turn over the page number 31. Some important rules of good personal health are as follows. A number, balanced diet. Our food should contain correct proportion of carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, and water in it. B number, personal hygiene. We should follow the personal health practices such as, at first, wash your hands before eating, then bathe regularly and wear clean clothes. Next, brush your teeth twice regularly. Then do not let your nails grow long. Cut them regularly. And last one, wash your feet and hands before going to bed. Okay, C number, cleaning household. We should keep our household and environment clean. D number, taking clean food and water. Our food should be fresh, clean and properly cooked, and water should be pure. E number, taking regular exercise. We should take part in games and sports and take physical exercise regularly. And last, F number, taking regular sleep and rest. We should sleep properly and take proper rest. I have already finished reading. Now I will again this topic reading out. Okay, and explain the difficult find out the difficult word and explain its parts of speech. Okay? Okay. Now here you go. A proverb says, the first word is proverb. Proverb. It's a noun. N for noun. That means maxim. M-A-X-I-M. So proverb means maxim and it is a noun. Health is wealth. To keep health is to keep from disease and anxiety. Here we also find another word, anxiety. A-N-X-I-E-T-Y. It's also a noun and it means tension. Tension. Next, good health is proper functioning of all body organs. Here another word, functioning. Functioning. It's also a noun that means word or action. It is also feeling well both in body and in mind. People in good health are active, cheerful and happy. Cheerful, C-H-E-E-R, cheer, F-U-L, it is an adjective and it means jolly. J-O-L-L-Y, jolly. If you are healthy, you can be happy and help others in society as well. To keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. Here, another word, hygiene. H-Y-G-I-E-N-E. It's also a noun and that means cleanliness. Clean, C-L-E-N, cleanliness. The rules and practices of keeping good health are called hygiene. We must practice the rules of hygiene. Proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medical are essential for good health. Here we also find same word, cleanliness, that means hygiene or cleanliness. We also say freshness, F-R-E-S-H, freshness. Some important rules of good health are as follows. Balanced diet. Our food should contain correct proportion. Here another word, proportion. P-R-O, proportion. It's also noun and it's also noun. And proportion means ratio. Ratio. Carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, mineral and water in it. Here we find balanced diet has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Balanced diet contains 6 important person. Number one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is one kind of balanced diet which contains rice, wheat, etc. That means heavy food. Another fat. We can get fat from animals fat, fat of meat, etc. And protein we can also we can find protein from fish, meat, egg, etc. Vitamins, most of the vitamins we can get from various kinds of fruits like guava, guavas, oranges, apples, etc. Minerals and water. Okay. B number, personal hygiene. We should follow the rules of health practices such as wash your hands before eating, bathe regularly and wear clean clothes, brush your teeth twice regularly. You can brush your teeth twice or thrice. Do not let your nails grow long, cut them regularly, wash your feet and hands before going to bed. Okay. So these are the new words. You can also say difficult words. Proverb, one kind of noun, and that means maxim. Anxiety, noun, that means tension. Functioning, noun, that means word. Careful, an adjective, that means jolly. Hygiene, it's a noun, that means cleanliness. Cleanliness, one kind of noun, that means freshness. Proportion is a noun, that means ratio. Okay, we'll go to E number. I will erase the board. If you want to write down these words, you will pause the video. Okay? First question. What do we mean by hygiene? Here you go. If you see E number E1, what do you mean by hygiene? The answer will be the rules and practices. Answers. ANSWER. Answer. The rules and practices. One number. The rules and practices of keeping good health, of keeping good health are called hygiene. Are called hygiene. GINE. 2 number question. What are essential for good health? Proper food and nutrition. Proper food and nutrition. Physical exercise. Rest and sleep, and proper medicare and proper medicare are essential for good health. Essential for good health. 3 number question. What do we mean by balanced diet? The answer is 3 number. Balance, BALANCE. Balanced diet means our food content should contain our food should contain proportion of carbohydrates, fat, protein, protein, vitamins, and minerals, and water in it. So I will again tell the answer. The question number 1 is, what do we mean by hygiene? The rules and practices of good health are called hygiene. Got it? The rules of practice of keeping good health are called hygiene. 2 number, what is essential for good health? The answer is proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, and proper medical are essential for good health. 3 number, what does balanced diet mean? Balanced diet means our food should contain proportion of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, and water in it. And last question, what are the rules of personal hygiene? If you see B number, personal hygiene, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. These are the answer. Got it? That means the answer should be, the rules of the personal hygiene are given below. Wash your hand before eating, bathe regularly and wear clean clothes, brush your teeth twice regularly, do not let your nails grow long, cut them regularly, wash your feet and hands before going to bed. These are the answer. Got it? Okay. So 4 number answer is personal hygiene. All the point should be written. Okay. So in this my lecture 2, in this passage, we can understand that what is good health, what does our body need, what is essential for good health, etc. If you follow these rules, that means we eat before we wash our hands before eating, rest and sleep, takes balanced diet, food, cut our nails regularly, and if we follow these rules, our health should we can contain or we have a balanced diet and good health. Okay. You will read and study this passage again at your home. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.